Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting network access because this is the only surefire way to stop updates automatically. Power your Ps5, sign in, then go to Settings, Network, Settings, and switch Connect to the Internet off. Once done, physically unplug any Ethernet cable or toggle your Wi-Fi off. This prevents any incoming update files while you change system behaviors. Make sure you remain signed in. You'll need access to settings without a live connection before changing auto download preferences next. Now you remove the Ps5 permission to download and install updates in the background. With the network off, go to Settings, save data and game/app settings, then Automatic Updates. Turn off auto download and uncheck Install automatically in rest mode. This stops the console from grabbing game patches or system updates when idle. Once done, also disable any background app downloads and cloud sync options that can trigger downloads. If you plan to update later, re-enable briefly while you're connected to get the version. Finish by rebooting and testing. Keep the Ps5 offline, then check for software updates manually so you control when they install. Additionally, go to Settings, System, Power Saving, features available in rest mode, and disable Stay Connected to the Internet. That closes another auto-update channel. If updates still appear, restore network settings to defaults and repeat disabling steps, or perform a network purge by forgetting Wi-Fi and re-adding it only when you want an update. That resolves stubborn auto-download behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.